Hello everyone, I am Anjali Daima from SAS Institute of Management Studies. My product name is Glossy Lips. So here is the marketing plan on its gloss on, worries gone. About our lip gloss will give 4 benefits in one. Our product will come in small squeezable tubes which are easily accessible. We can carry our product anywhere we want, in pocket, in bag. So our product will be in 4-in-1 lip gloss. It will help you get glossy, shiny and plump lips. It will come in small packing like small tubes which will be easily accessible, and it can be refilled in our stores so that there is no extra cost of packaging. This will help to reduce the plastic disposable also. Our pricing strategy is like our product will have minimal cost so that everyone can afford it. Refills will be given at discounted rates. So, as you know, everyone is not able to afford the lip balms or costly, expensive things. So, our pricing strategy is like that we will keep the cost as minimum as possible. Distribution will be like we will distribute our product in medicals, small shops, and we can provide it to malls also. So everywhere it can be available, and people will get it everywhere. Our next target will be to distribute our product worldwide, that on the online platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. SWOT analysis we had done like this. Our strength is that there are 4 features in our product, and it can be used instead of lipstick. We can say as a substitute. Many people are facing the problem that their lips get harmed with the lipstick. So they can use a lip gloss instead of lipstick, and it is affordable at a cheaper rate. Opportunity of our product that we can give the customer experience of making their shade for the lip gloss. So we can also make different shades of lip gloss that will help them, or many females who are not using the lipstick, they can use the lip gloss easily with their perfect shade. So it will be helpful for them, and this is the opportunity we can expand it. Our weakness is that the plastic tube does not reflect the quality of our product properly, and we need to do advertising at the initial stage so that the people will be aware about the product, that what is the product, and all the features of the product will be seen by little advertising. Threats of the product is that heavy competition from the famous brands. Already there are many brands of lip balm. So to survive in the market, we have to do, and we have to create an awareness among the people about the product, about the quality of the product, features of the product, and how it is useful. So also increased regulation is the threat. We have to do the official paperwork or regulations, we have to follow it properly. Target audience. Our main target audience is females or girls, we can say, above 15 years. So usually girls use the lip gloss on daily basis, and instead of lipstick it can be used on daily basis. While sleeping also we can use this lip gloss. So there is no side effects or no irritation using this lip gloss. So it is helpful for the lips, and it will give more beautiful look while shiny lips. So just thank you for listening my PPT.